Hello, my queens. It's your girl Cat Style here. If you guys want to see how I accomplished this kind of summer night out look, just keep watching this video and you guys will find out how I did it. And in this video, I'm wearing this adorable shirt. If you guys want to see and get it for yourself, be sure to watch to the end of the video and see how you can do that and get yourself a free shout out. So without any further ado, let's do what it do. Okay, so I'm starting off by taping the edge of my eye to get my snatched eyeshadow line. And then I'm obviously going to use my white primer base for the eyeshadow by NYX. And I'm going to use my little definer brush just to fill in everywhere on my eyelid, just so I can have my white base. And I'm setting it with my translucent powder. Guys, this look is so bright. I wanted every single little bit of like brightness to this look. And this is the Morphe 35O palette. I love this palette. I'm going in with this really pretty light orange shade as a transition. I almost really messed up that word. Transition with a cute little angled fluffy brush just all over the eye. And I'm blending, and blending, and blending, and blending, and blending, and blending. And then after that, I'm going in with a little bit of a smaller little eyeshadow brush just to fit in my outer V and crease. And I'm darkening the color a little bit. I'm going in with a darker shade of like orangey red. It's so cute, guys. This is such a sunset kind of look. I mean, I don't know what made me do this look. I just thought of it and I just went with it. But I'm just putting that in the outer V and crease and just blending it in. And now I'm going in even a little smaller with this kind of red-brown look with a little bit of a smaller brush, just so that I can really concentrate even more and just really deepen the eyes. And I didn't go too heavy with that either because it's dark. And now I'm going back in again with the base, and you know, I gotta highlight the whole inner corner of the eye so I can be nice and bright. Wait till you guys see the color I put on the lid. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And then I set it again, set it and forget it with this beautiful orange shimmer shade. How cute is it, guys? With a little, actually this is a pretty big eyeshadow brush too. I was gonna use a little one, but it was not within arm's reach, so I just used this big one and it worked fine. And I'm just putting it all over the concealed area. It is so pretty, that orange shade. I should have just left it like that with one eye. It looked like I was about to. Oh lord. And now I'm just going and lifting the brow bone just so I can really get just at the tippy top of where the crease is. And just fixing it up. And now I'm going in, giving myself a wing with my little skinny liquid eyeliner. And as you guys see, my eyebrows were already done on camera. The quality of the eyebrows being filled in was definitely poor, so definitely didn't put it in my video, so I apologize for that. And then right after I'm done with the eyeliner, you guys are gonna see, I take off the tape, I put on my mascara, I just finish up the eye. This is the telescopic mascara in Carbon Black. I use it in every single video. It's my favorite, guys. I'm trying new ones, but it's just nothing's like this one. So yeah, there's that. And voila. You have your clean line. Beautiful. Now I'm using my NYX Born to Glow Illuminating Primer all over my face, and I didn't feel like getting my face dirty, so I blended it all in with a foundation brush, and I ended up using my hand anyway. Great. But I just really did not feel like getting everything all on my hands. My hands are so dirty as is, like with all the other makeup, and I had to mix two foundations. That's a 235 Fit Me foundation, and then the Wet n Wild foundation. I had to mix it because somehow I get darker and I'm like, okay, I didn't even go to the beach or anything, but okay. So I had to mix the two foundations and it came out fine. It's just I had to mix something. One was too dark and one was too light. I was like, oh Lord Jesus. And I'm going in with a little angled kabuki and I'm gonna blend it all in. Blend, 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 blend. And then after I'm done using the brush, I go in with a little sponge. I believe it's Real Techniques, yep. And I'm just getting into all the hard to reach places, like around the nose, hairline, as you see, just the harder to reach places. And now I'm setting the whole entire face, because that was another thing, the concealer part. The quality may have been poor, so don't mind that, but I used my Age Rewind, the Maybelline one, in Fair Clair, and I set it with the same translucent powder. And now I'm going in with my butter bronzer. You guys know this is my favorite part of every single video, or probably you don't, but it is, just letting you know now that it is my absolute favorite part. It just brings the life back into the face. Look at that. Look at that. It's like I evened out my skin tone to uneven it again with this bronzer. I don't understand, but I love it. And now I'm brushing away any of the leftover dustiness from my translucent powder. And now I'm using this little blush brush, and I'm using the Mad for Mauve little palette from Ulta. It's the Ulta line, and I'm using the color Raspberry, and it's so pretty. I never really use blush, but I do once in a blue moon. You guys will catch it, you know, once in a while. I'm not really a big blush person. And now I'm using my Dewy Finish NYX setting spray, and I'm just using it just to dampen the skin for when I put my highlighter on. It just sticks better, it pops more, and I didn't really have a liquid highlight I wanted to use in the video, so I'm just using just my powder highlight, and it's by e.l.f. And you know me, I don't know the name of it, but it's like, it's just a pale gold. It's so pretty. Oh, it is so pretty. Does that even make sense, pale and gold? But to me it does. So you already know. And it's like $3, so you can't go wrong. And I just highlight again all over my whole entire head and face. So there's that. And now I go in with the same highlighter in the inner corner, brow bone, and bridge of my nose, and probably touching up the Cupid's bow. All of that. Oh, I love highlighting too. The bronzing and highlighting, I can't. I can do it. I can do my whole face over and over again. The other parts just aggravate me. That's what I do my face for. And now I'm wiping off my foundation. Let you know there's nothing worse than that. And I'm going in with my NYX lipstick. I believe this is Amsterdam. Nope, I was definitely wrong. And it's still unfocused. I can find out what it is for you guys. But yes, and I didn't put it all over my lip. I just dabbed a little bit on, and I dab it in because I didn't want it red. Even though it's still red, trust me, that color comes out much more red than it actually is there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was super fun and spontaneous making this look. I was only supposed to film a certain amount of videos, and this was just the last one I did. I just felt like in the mood to do it, so I did. And it's kind of like a sunset kind of look. I love it. It's like for a nice night out. If you have that kind of life where you're like, let me go out. That's the kind of look you want to do. At least for me. But I hope you guys liked it. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you guys want to see next in my next video.